Okay, I'm going to show you how to enroll in our course Moodle. The first thing you're going to do is come to the UB homepage. You'll come up here to Moodle banner. When you click on that, that will bring you to the online page. Up here in the right corner, you see login. You'll press login. This is where you'll put in your UB credentials to log in to the system. If you're a first-time user, it might require you to set up a profile, so you will need to do that and put in the required information. Once you have that profile created, you'll come up here to courses. You probably won't have any courses here because you're not enrolled in any yet if you're a new student to Moodle. So you come up here to courses, and in this search bar you will put ENGL space 119-4N is our section number, and it should pull right up if you put in that code. Just make sure that it is the right course section. I do have more than one section, and I do have some old courses in here from fall of 2018 and spring of 2019. So, make sure that it's fall of 2019, and it does have a description of the course. Okay. Once you get here, down below this description, it will have self-enrollment like it does here. Self-enrollment, you'll press Enroll Me. Of course, I'm already a member of our course, so when you click on the title of the course, it will bring you to our course Moodle. Now, the course Moodle is organized by weeks, and we completed in class week 1 and week 2. So I have repeated the materials. If you look through the Moodle, you'll see here that we have a little introductory video, some information, how to contact me. I will start establishing office hours now that I'm finding space at the TCU building and Bishop Michael. I'll probably have some office hours down there as well to make it easy for students to reach me as I figure out our schedules. Okay, so there's some description here, the course outline, which we already went over, and the introduction. The first week, we already completed this. If you missed the first week, then it was just a questionnaire and a diagnostic essay. It's not a big deal. The second week, there were a couple of assignments due, so you want to make sure that you have completed those. And if you haven't, all the material is here for you. I even have the essay, Bahamian Creole English, Whole Not Broken. That was the last assignment that we had just started, and the homework was to write reflecting on my mother tongue, which was supposed to be due when we returned. So here I have, you see the slides from class 3, class 4, which is in the second week, and the essay. Some of you had already bought I think everyone had already bought the booklet, and some of you have lost it in the hurricane. And so instead of having people, we lost them in our office as well. So I will be providing for you any of the material from the booklet that we'll be using. I will probably be changing how I'll use the booklet for the reason that we have lost our copies, and I only have an electronic version now. Okay, so week 3, this is where we are beginning after Dorian. And right now I don't have much information here. All I have is the assignment that was due on our return, which is assignment 3, reflecting on my mother tongue. All of the items with a hand indicate that it's an assignment, and that means it has something that is due. You click on the title and it brings you into the full description. And let me switch over here to my role as a student because I'm looking at that as a professor, and here I am. I'm logged in as a student. So this is how you will see the assignment. You'll see the status, and then down here, if there were any comments, you would see comments, and then add submission. So you're going to click that. That's going to open up the little window here to upload a file. Some assignments will have a little text box that you will write in. Other ones will have a file that you submit. In this case, it's going to be a file. You would just come up here, click here. This is to create a folder. You just want to upload a file. Choose the file. You'll go through this and do that, upload your file, and you will have it submitted. Okay? There is a maximum file size, and I would prefer documents, Word documents. Okay? So make sure you get those done. Now there is a dashboard that you can go to where you can check all the courses that you're in, and it will tell you how much of the course you have completed, etc. So you can look on your timeline, it will show you what is due. Now in this case, the only thing that is due is assignment 3 for this course. So you want to keep up with your Moodle assignments if you decide to continue that way. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help.